Look what I have on again.
And I want you guys to guess what we're playing today. You probably already know from the title and stuff. What do YouTubers say? You probably already know from the title, but I'm on the couch. I'm in the basement. I got a Batman shirt on. I got green pants on. The Cocoa Puff virus has made school closed for like 3 weeks. Oh geez. So last time we did office local drop. Today we'll play gourmet chef. It might look like gourmet chef, but it's actually gourmet chef. Remember in office local when he was like, you look like a professional gourmet chef? Okay, now this is my favorite level of free play mode. I can't reach that. Got the egg. What was that? Especially because of the pot, I make the weirdest soups. Efficient foods of human foods. Did I put an apple and bacon? Bacon is now my new favorite thing. That's not the time. That is not the time. 9:01 is not the time. It's like almost 7 p.m. I'm too short. I can't do it. I don't think I did this in the still cloak. Oh baby. I should have done that on still cloak. No, office local. Office local. Jeez. Smoking's not allowed in here. Why is words that like you don't know speak with like cattle? This is not how my family cooks it. We cook it on a stove. Am I drinking a tea? Okay, we need the crumpet. Oh, we need 2. Put it on the grill. Got it. I thought I'd put you down here. No! The tea! Give me the cup. Give me the kettle. Give me... we can... Why would we use that? We need a kettle. We need to clean it out for it. Soup. Got the soup. Paper, flour, and cork. Soup. It's poisonous. Sandwich. Can we put the book on? I need the cookie. Goes in my mouth. We're special. There we go. Yep, it's on the bottom too.
But that looks pretty sandwich.
Huh. Gonna make a mess.
It is 1984 vintage, and I wish to have it prepared.
Ew!
Yes, quite well done. Now, it would be something
That was not kid friendly. I itch my freaking leg. Who needs a trash?
Wait a second. We better make sure our service is exceptional.
Can I eat it?
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday. Can we get some pizza for the kids?
Pizza is generally defined as a covered dish, adding additional food items known
What's
as
the microwave? Oh, I needed the blender. Is it you? Oh, solo tomato. Drop it. We need the cheese. Is the cheese in you? There's the cheese. I want to put my hand on this ledge, but I can't. You?
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is definitely allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy? I want sauce. Not sauce. Make me applesauce. All right. The human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now.
Will I? Are you really? You really?
Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to worms. Could you just serve the ingredients raw?
He's not gonna last one summer. I'm sorry to break it to you. How's he gonna eat cake then? You have.
The human made it special for you. There's tomatoes in here. I can taste it.
What? That! Oh jeez, this is very dangerous. You could you might want to like try to propose to her or something, but you're actually just gonna kill her. It's the most dangerous thing I've seen any human being do, besides jump off a building.
Oh, that's great. One more thing though. I wanted to have some romantic music playing while I do it, but I forgot to burn this disc. Could you burn it for me?
Why do you want to burn?
Action for run up with heat.
What do you mean? We don't burn discs.
That would be perfect.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
Huh. That's interesting. I wonder if there's something different inside?
What do you mean? What's this?
They're sweet.
Emotion. You enter a legally binding partnership.
They left. Hey. Yeah.
Now they're ready for cake. We do get a free birthday cake, right?
I just want to look at all this.
Children run restaurants were only obligated to provide
Oh yeah, I thought he was allergic to heat.
and can quickly mutate
Hold on.
into food.
How am I gonna give him? I'm kind of confused. I'll use this flower, fresh from a plant. Oh, I get the joke. You need flour to. That's heat. That's. This game makes no sense.
Hey boss, that party left a huge pile of dirty dishes. We're gonna need your help to get through these. They're
Okay.
pretty nasty, so make sure you use a good squirt of soap.
I need that. Okay, what if I break one of these?
Well, that's okay. We'll just take it out of your eye check.
I don't care. This isn't even real life.
Come on, what's the point of having opposable thumbs if you can't even hold a plate?
Oh.
That's it. I can't watch this. This is terrible. You finish up without me.
He left. Where's your banana on this? It's a literally banana. You gonna say something?
Are you
health inspector's on his way over and
Oh.
I don't think we're gonna pass inspection. You need to clean this place up and make it safe and sanitary.
Hold on. Oh! I told you I need the people.
I guess not working. Oh well, what are the chances of there being a fire in here anyway? What do we need to do?
It's gonna happen if we have a fire extinguisher.
Look around and see if you can find. Yikes, that's not good. You need to do something about these guys. Get rid of them quick. Well, I guess that'll have to do it. Here comes the health inspector.
Anything that touches the ground is now gone.
It's questionable. Hey, chef, there's a plot here. There's an episode of some TV show with you.
Typing on a computer. I love this dude. He's amazing. He talks fast. That's why I like him.
Hey, okay. Great, that was good. Now let's get a shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave.
Is that safe? As long as I get paid, I'll do it.
Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you eating it? Just act like it's real delicious, alright? Hey, thank you so much, human. Come on, put some heat into it.
I'm doing that.
Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative.
The best. Okay. Put that carefully in. I need grape juice and hot sauce.
Put it? No. Put the hot sauce in.
That looks interesting. Send it off to the customer.
Hold on. I got a trophy for doing this Oleo. So I'm going to do it on camera this time. Inhale. And then we cook it. It's soup. This is the soup. This is the soup that you're making. You put the soup inside the soup.
Another beautiful looking meal, chef. You look so familiar.
You like a... Who is that dude?
Your last one.
I'm not even done with it. Carrot soup. It's Boss Bot.
They wanted something special and they certainly got it. Nice cooking.
He was arrested. Is that Boss Bot?
This is way too hot.
Oh no. Milk.
Sounds like the guy with the hot temper from earlier.
You want some milk? You want fire extinguisher? Nope, he wants a fire extinguisher.
Help a bot out here. Come on. Woo. Thanks, Human. You really saved my circuits.
It's just be rebuilt, you know that, right? I think I'm the last human alive, though.
Waiting for Human. Get cooking. These meatballs aren't going to prepare themselves.
Well, you're pooping out. You're pooping meatballs out. I didn't even know you had a crack. Cook them.
Yeah, those look so bad. My neural network associates them with literal garbage. So are you going to serve them or just let them sit there and get even more disgusting?
I put them on the dish.
That was good. Well, great so far, Human. I know I could be looking at you, but it's all just part of the show, you know? Do anything.
I'm doing something. Wait, don't cook it. There you go. Menu, plastic cup, and glass shard soup. Eat a burrito. You're a strange individual. Well, that's the end of the video. I'm super sweaty. Below.